I want you to really look at this. This channel started just a couple of weeks ago, and it already exploded with tens of thousands of subscribers. And this video right here, uploaded only a few days ago, already millions of views. Now here's the crazy part. These videos are completely AI generated. No filming, no construction site, no workers, no expensive equipment, just smart use of AI. And today, I'm going to break down exactly how this works step by step so you can replicate it. And yes, I've put the master prompts inside my Telegram. You'll find the link in the description below. Let's get into it. First, look at the style of these videos. They are cinematic construction builds, big machines, concrete pouring, steel structures rising, perfect camera angles, smooth motion. It feels real, but it's not real. And that's the power of AI right now. But before we generate anything, you need to understand something very important. The quality of your video depends on the quality of your prompt. If your prompt is lazy, your video will look lazy. If your prompt is detailed and structured, your video will look like a Netflix documentary. Step 1. Open ChatGPT. Now, we're not just asking it, give me construction ideas. No, we're using a structured master prompt. The master prompt tells ChatGPT exactly what kind of cinematic construction content we want. It includes camera angles, lighting instructions, material details, step-by-step build progression, worker behavior, machinery movement, and environmental consistency. When you paste the master prompt and hit enter, ChatGPT will generate multiple high-quality construction ideas instantly. And if you don't like the ideas, just ask for more. AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't say, bro, I already gave you 10 ideas. It just keeps going. Now choose one idea that feels visually powerful. This is important. Pick something that evolves step by step, has strong transformation, and looks satisfying. Once you select your idea, paste it back into ChatGPT. Now it will generate a full structured plan, and this is where it gets powerful. It will give you scene-by-scene image prompts, video motion prompts, clear construction progression, and camera movement instructions. It basically becomes your creative director. And yes, all those prompts are inside my Telegram. Link in the description. Now we move to image generation. Open Flow. Create a new project. Before you generate anything, go to Settings. Switch from Landscape to Portrait. This is extremely important. Why? Because we are making vertical content for shorts. If you forget this step, your video will look wrong. And trust me, nobody wants to crop 20 clips manually. Now confirm the image model is selected properly. Copy Scene 1 image prompt from ChatGPT. Paste it into Flow. Generate. Wait about 20 to 30 seconds. Now look closely at the results. Don't just download immediately. Check. Is lighting consistent? Do materials look realistic? Are workers positioned naturally? Does the camera angle feel cinematic? If something looks weird, tweak the prompt and regenerate. AI listens. Use it. Now here's the most important trick in this entire process. Consistency. When generating Scene 2, you must upload Scene 1 as a reference image. This keeps environment stable, lighting direction consistent, building proportions accurate, perspective aligned. If you skip this, the AI might suddenly move the building to another country, or change the sky, or rotate the camera, and then your cinematic effect is gone. So always use the previous scene as reference. Repeat this process for every scene. Copy prompt, upload previous image, generate, download. Simple workflow. Once all images are ready, we move to video generation. Switch to frame to video mode. Again, confirm portrait mode. Now you'll see 2 frame slots. First frame equals Scene 1 image. Second frame equals Scene 2 image. Then copy the video motion prompt from ChatGPT. Paste, generate. This creates smooth motion between the 2 scenes. You want natural worker movement, smooth machinery operation, gradual structural growth, and no sudden camera jumps. Watch carefully before downloading. If movement looks stiff, slightly refine the motion prompt. Small adjustments can make a huge difference. Repeat this for all scenes. Scene 2 to Scene 3, scene 3 to scene 4 until your full cinematic sequence is done. Now we need music, because without music, it feels empty. Open Suno AI. If you don't have a music prompt, go back to ChatGPT and ask for cinematic construction background music prompts. It will give you multiple mood options: inspirational, industrial, dramatic, futuristic. Choose one that matches your visuals. Paste it into Suno. Generate. You'll get several tracks. Listen carefully. Pay attention to build-up, drop timing, emotional intensity, and instrument texture. Pick the one that feels powerful. Download it. Now, final step. Editing. Open your editing software. Import all clips. Place music first on the timeline. Now here's where you add cinematic impact. Align major construction moments with musical build-ups. When the steel frame locks into place, hit the beat. When the crane lifts the final structure, hit the drop. This creates emotional satisfaction, and that's what keeps people watching. Once everything is synced, review the full video. If it feels smooth, consistent, and cinematic, you're done. And that's it. From a simple idea to a fully structured cinematic construction video, all powered by AI. No filming, no crew, no expensive gear, just smart workflow. If you follow the exact steps I showed you, you can replicate this. And remember, I've put the full master prompts and structure inside my Telegram. The link is in the description below. Download them, tweak them, experiment with different construction styles, and push it further. And if this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and I'll show you the next AI niche before everyone else finds it. Let's build something crazy.